drive status or the disk health using HDD Sentinel Portable. So meron na tayong copy ng HDD Sentinel Portable. So nandito siya sa installers. To check, look for HDD Sentinel Portable, or if you have installed yung actual program, you can download it sa website ng HDD Sentinel and look for this HDD Sentinel na executable. Click natin, then click yes. We'll just wait for the program to initialize. May lalabas dito sa taskbar. There. Allow lang natin access. Since ito yung pinaka-disk health, tatandaan nyo, once na nagsimula siyang bumaba from 90% and below, the problem will start appearing sa inyong system. Most probably, bad sectors ay lalabas na as soon as nagde-deteriorate ang inyong hard drive. From here, I suggest to upgrade. From here, at this standpoint, I suggest to replace the hard drive. Kasi nga, once ang bumagsak to ng 20% pababa, that is the time that you need to back up. And then the indications kasi is mas mabagal yung performance ng operating system nyo. Load times are much longer than the usual. So from here, I suggest to replace the hard drive, or mas better upgrade to SSD. So from here, I will tell the client na papalitan niya ng hard drive, but still he can use the operating system. But hindi niya na pwedeng i-expect na ganun na yung performance is at the top, kasi nga may damage na yung hard drive. From here, we're going to resolve this by replacing the hard drive. Okay, then it's either we clone or we install a new operating system. So this is Fumitro TV, and we're out.